Welcome everyone. Today I'll be discussing how to stay safe while using email at work, covering common threats and simple security measures to protect our information. Moving on to slide 2, which is ethical issues in information systems. Ethical issues in information systems IT include ensuring confidentiality, data integrity, availability, and privacy. It's crucial to protect sensitive information and respect individuals' rights while using email and other information systems. Next, we will discuss about common email security threats. Phishing, malware, spam, and business email compromise are major threats. To stay safe, verify email sources, avoid suspicious attachment, use spam filters, and confirm request for sensitive information through alternative channels. Next, we'll be discussing about protecting information resources. We can use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and encryption to secure emails. Additionally, antivirus software and firewalls block threats while regular training keeps employees alert to potential risk. Next, we'll discuss about IT and IS in business. Email threats can lead to data breaches and damage a business's reputation. To prevent this, we will implement strong security measures, keep systems updated, and train employees to recognize potential threats. The next slide will be discussing about importance of information systems. Information systems enable efficient communication and data sharing while ensuring privacy and security. They help businesses operate smoothly and protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Now we'll discuss about the role of information systems in business. Information systems improve business efficiency by streamlining communication and enhancing decision making. We can secure email systems, protect data, and ensure smoother, safer business operations. Finally, with regards to conclusion and questions, we need to stay safe. We need to be always cautious with emails, use security tools, and stay informed. We'll have to protect our information, which will ensure that business continuity and trust with customers and clients.